Hey, what's up you guys? It's Vishal here, and today we have the Sony WI-XB wireless earphones. So let's unbox it. The box packaging is nothing to write home about. It's your standard plastic, and as you can see, it's sealed. So let's open it. Inside, you get your earphones, which is neatly packed. You also get some paperwork, extra ear tips to suit different ear sizes, and also a USB Type-C cable. But first, let's take a look at the earphone itself. It is completely made out of plastic and has a neat flat type tangle-free cable. It has two plastic housings on either side. On the left you have the volume rockers and power on and off button, along with the charging port which supports quick charging. The build is good. I'm not really sure about the plastic housing, but the earphone itself are great. It also has magnets on the earbuds which have no actual purpose other than sticking to each other, but whereas on the OnePlus Bullets wireless, the music pauses and the earphone shuts off. As the earphone is rated for extra bass, the audio which comes out of these drivers are bass heavy with extra punch and kinda acts like a noise cancelling earphone even though it does not have active noise cancellation. Sony claims that the battery lasts for 15 hours and 10 minutes of charge will give you about an hour of talk time. That needs to be tested and we'll let you know. So that's it for this video. The full review will be coming out soon after a week of usage. I'll let you know about the usability, battery performance, audio quality, etc. Stay tuned and don't forget to get subscribed and also hit the bell icon. I'll see you in the next one. This is Half-Life.